Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too much space on the application of eBay. We click on settings. In this page here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we search about eBay and we click. In this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then here you click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your